Welcome back to the Moral Science class 4. Today we will do the revision work from the chapters. First, I have told you we'll start from 3, 4 and every syllabus I have given. So, today I will discuss what are the question answers and word meanings from which chapter, fill in the blanks, from which chapter very clearly you will learn. Come to the point, class 4, chapter is 3. From chapter 3, you will learn only 3 question answer. First is, what did the father ask his son and why? The answer is, father asked his son about that bird, and he also asked to examine his son's patience. This is examines patience. Now I am holding. Please check the answer. That is from page number 21, chapter 3, revision work of from this chapter you will learn word meaning and question answer. That is also word meaning and fill in the blanks also I will discuss. First writes the question and answers. This is question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Why did the son shout at his father? What did he say? The son became impatient to give answer to his father. He replied with anger that why did his father ask the same question. Holding this, please go through. This is question number 2. Now, question number 3. Question number 3. That is the last question you will learn from this chapter, means chapter 3. What did father bring to his son? What did the father bring to his son? Father brought an old tattered diary to show his son, which he had maintained since the birth of his son. This is the answer of question number 3 from the chapter of 3. From this chapter, you will learn these 3 question answers and word meaning from the book. Word meaning from the book that I will show you. Now come to the next chapter, that is, I am showing you the chapter number, and the chapter is 4. Chapter is 4. Chapter 4, you will learn only 2 question answer, 1 and 2. 3, 4, no need to learn. Only 2 question answer. Page number 28, 2 question answer. First is, listen, this 3, 4, no need to learn. I am telling you, this 3, 4, no need to learn. Only 2 question and answer. 2 question and answer. Again I am showing you this one and this one. This one no need to learn. You learn only 2 question answer. Page number 28, chapter 4. That is, what was the responsibility given to the little boy? What was the responsibility given to the little boy? The boy had given the responsibility to come early each day to start the fire and warm the room. You can write, the boy got the responsibility to start the fire, and here you can write, the boy had given the responsibility to come early and start the fire to warm. That also you can write, or you can write from here. I don't have any problem if you write in an easy way. Okay, so I'm holding this question, this one from 28 page number, chapter 4, question number 1. Now, question number 2. Why did the doctor think that it was better for the boy to die? The doctor said because for the terrible fire, the lower half of the body was destroyed. Why did the doctor say it? Because the lower part of the body was destroyed. That's why the doctor said it is better to die. So, children, you don't need to learn these two question answer. Then only you will learn word meaning from this chapter and these two question answers only. 1 and 2. I am holding. Again, I will revise it tomorrow. Question number 1 and question number 3. Other question no need to learn. So, I have already given you syllabus. These question answer you will learn. Okay? Apart from this, nothing. So, for today, goodbye. Next day, we'll meet for the word meaning and others.